my first ever haul on my channel, and I'm super excited to share with you guys. I got all these items from SheIn, and they were all under $25. Most of them under 10, but you know I got a little splurging and got one for like 20 something. So y'all know I'm cheap. So if you'd like to see the items that I purchased, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so before we get in, I just want to point out that I purchased all of these items with my own good up money when I work, my 9 to 5 I'm buying so this ain't sponsored, but you know, SheIn, if you're ready, I'm ready, let's go, you know. So yeah, let's get into the items. So the first item I got was this white graphic tee, and it just has a nice little sophisticated lady in her glasses and red lipstick, you know. And this shirt, it feels good. It's 95% cotton, 5% spandex. It's not see-through. I mean, it's not like hella like high quality, but it's not see-through, which is great. And I got this in the size medium. I would say this is like a medium large. It's on the bigger side, but it fit me fine for the purpose of the outfit. I really like this shirt. I think it was a good buy. So the next item I got were these pants, and the image will be here. I don't need to say that you see it when it's edited, then you see it, you know what I mean? Sorry. So this is the pants. It's supposed to be army green. It looks a lot like khaki on screen. Khaki. It looks a lot like khaki on screen, but it is in fact olive green. It's a straight leg pant. I thought it would have been more narrow. Or I think in my mind it was scrunched at the end, which I don't mind. It fit well, and it comes with a little tie belt, a little string belt. I don't have anything bad to say about this. I got it in the size large. It's not see-through, which is great. It fit well. It did have a little bit of gaping at the crotch, but that may just be my bum, because you know there's just a lot of stretching going on in the back, but not in the front. So I mean, if you don't have a lot of junk in the trunk, I don't think you'll have an issue with that per se. And it may be because my torso is super short as well, why there is gaping. But for the most part, but I love this pants. So I paired these two items together, and I'll show you what it looked like. I thought it turned out super cute, like so cute. Like, comment below if you like. So I did buy outfits, so I want you guys to comment below which of these outfits were your fave. Okay. This one was mine, no lies. So the next item that I got was a see-through crop top, and it comes fringe, and I saw it on the website and I was like, oh, that's nice, yes. So this is it. It's a little crop top. It does have fringe at the front right there. You can see it's moving. And then on the sleeves it comes with fringes as well. I got this in a size medium, and it fit me pretty well. I mean, I do have broad shoulders, so I kept on having to draw it down because it was like riding up a little. And I want to point out that I ain't got no titties. Y'all know that, like. So if you do have bigger breasts, fuller breasts, you may want to get a size up just so you can have a room for it, so it doesn't ride up, and you know you don't have like half your titties hanging out. Unless you're into that, then that's fine, you know. So yeah, I love this shirt. It is so cute. I feel like you could dress it up, you could dress it down. Like you could wear this a lot of different ways, and it would be like super stylish. But I saw it on the website, and I was like, oh, that fire! It is what do you call this? Velvet? Yes, it's a velvet texture. It fits, before we get into the fit, so it's a velvet texture. It feels like good quality, and it does, the under boob area does have bone, so it should be stiff enough to stay up. I did get this in a large, however it was too big. I couldn't get it to stay up, so I'm gonna say that's the reason it didn't fit well, because it was too big. Like, it was too big. I thought this would have been a pencil skirt, so it would have been like a midi skirt. It would have been like that nice, super long, elongated look. but I'll show you guys the footage. This fit over my knee, and I'm 4'11", so I can't imagine how somebody that is average height or taller would even fit in this. Like, it would be a mini skirt. I'll have to double check if the actual description said it was a mini skirt. I don't feel like it did, but yes, it was super short and it was too big for me. But I do feel, but rolling on the river. I said rolling on the river. Alright. I stumbled upon this set that you're gonna see here, and I was like, ooh, because y'all know split pants are super in right now. That nice sporty but couture look. And I was like, I want one of those, and it came as a set, and it was like $22 or something like that. The prices will be on the screen, no worries. But I was like, ooh, I want one of those. So I bought the set, and I believe I got it in medium. Nope, I got it in large. Again, I generally get large for my booty area, because now. So the pants. So these are the pants, and as I said, they come split. They're black pinstripe. They're split, and they come with suspenders. Now, again, guys, I'm 4'11". This was pretty long. Like, I would have to hem up the bottoms before I could actually wear it out, or wear like 10-inch heels to match them. So, of course, I'm gonna hem the bottoms. But it fit well. It hugged my booty fine. My crotch area was fine. It is super high-waisted on me again because I do have a short torso, but I think it fit pretty well. So it came with a white shirt, and the shirt is the same material as the pants, which when I got it, I didn't anticipate that it would have. I thought it would have been more on the cotton side of things, but it didn't look bad. It is slightly see-through, but I mean, you'd wear a bra with this regardless, so it wasn't that bad. It's a 3/4 sleeve. The sleeves on me were a little tight, but I do have big arms. I sound like I have so many issues with myself, right? But no, it's seriously, like, my arms are bigger. Like, they're a little chubby. So while I was waiting on my SheIn items to come in, I saw this exact pant on one of those Instagram model people, and she said she got it from Fashion Nova. Now, Fashion Nova for the average American. Can y'all stop disrespecting me? Thank you. So Fashion Nova for the average American, I suppose, is not expensive, but for me, what work hard for my money and after the exchange rate and so, I don't think Fashion Nova is necessarily the cheapest. So in my mind, this would be on Fashion Nova for $45 or so. I'll try and find it and insert it here as well. But I want to point out that a lot of the items that I see on Fashion Nova are on SheIn. So I don't know if there's a big difference quality-wise. I doubt that there is. But you could get a lot of the items that you purchase on Fashion Nova on SheIn. So, you know, I be the plug if you want to go that route.
Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, f them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we.
I saw these and thought they were so cute. I'm a sucker for light wash jeans, like I just love them. And these are ripped. And they're supposed to be boyfriend jeans, or that's my interpretation of them based on how the feet are, because they're not fitted, they're not straight leg. So they're supposed to fit like boyfriend jeans. I got this in the size large, and I'm gonna blame my booty again for the way that this fits. It was a little tight around the crotch area. I think it more or less was supposed to be high-waisted, but it was only, it came like a little below my navel at the front, but in the back it was like all the way down to my hips. But again, I blame my booty. The waist was too big for me, which I didn't anticipate it would fit, because jeans generally don't fit like that area of my body. The rips I like. I thought they were like minimal but still nice. But these jeans are cotton and polyester blend. They don't stretch an ounce. Like, I was trying to like bend down and take photos in them, and I could hear them just going, "Ah, what are you doing? Stop!" Like, it was ripping, y'all. Like, it was ripping. So the next item is the bodysuit, and this is black. And I saw this on the model, and I was like, I need to make sure I get the right size because it's hella strappy. So I didn't want it to be like all my fat just like squishing through the strings at the back. It comes like a thong at the back. So you know sometimes you wear bodysuits and like you see it peeping through like your jeans or your skirt that you wear it with. I hate that. But this is a thong, so it got lost in my booty, so you know. And it's literally just fabric at the front, as you can see here, and just straps at the back. The straps come in like a crisscross motion. I thought it was so cute. I love this bodysuit. I think of all the things that I got, I love this the most. So the final item that I got was a jacket, and I got it in this nice dusty rose pastel pink color, which I thought looked super nice against my skin tone. It does come with a zipper all the way in the front. It comes with little drawstring, so you could like elasticize the bottoms as well, the hem. And it does come with pockets, which I liked, and they're real pockets, they're not faux pockets, so that's great. Normally when you buy cheaper items, they come with faux pockets, which I hate, because like, we need them pockets. Like, I need to slip my hand and touch my booty sometimes, you know? Like, that I purchased from SheIn. I would definitely recommend this site to you guys if it is that you're looking for inexpensive outfits. I would say definitely read the reviews before purchasing so you can get an idea of the sizing. Persons post photos of them in it and tell you the size that they buy, so you can use like other person's images to gauge what size you can get. Read the reviews to see if it's true to the image, to see if it's see-through, different stuff like that, if it fits well, true to size. All of that for sure. If you are on the thicker side as well, they do have plus side options. So if you're a nice, voluptuous, sexy, curvy diva, then you can also check out the site. Again, read the reviews, see what size you'd fall under for that specific item, and then you can decide if you purchase or not. Also, I want to speak about shipping because I purchased these during Chinese New Year, and there was a big banner on the site that said items will be delayed 5 to 7 days because of the Chinese New Year. I think I purchased mine like on the Wednesday and Chinese New Year ended on the Friday or Saturday or something like that. And like as soon as Chinese New Year ended, like I got my shipping information. Like my things was out the door. And I think it got delivered within, I would say, a week to the actual place that it was supposed to be delivered. So I would say shipping is super fast. I mean, most times when you buy from China, you can expect like, you know, it takes 10 years. But it didn't, and I was super surprised by that. So definite thumbs up for shipping. That was my experience. Comment below if you've ever purchased from SheIn, what your experience was with the items and the shipping. Also, comment below which of the outfits were your fave. Mine was the army green pants with the white graphic tee. I loved how it looked. It was simple and cute and chic and all of that. So, give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Be sure to comment below all the things I told you to comment below about. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next upload. Bye! Hi sweets! Did you enjoy that last video? Well, if you did, I have a bunch of other content uploaded on my channel. So feel free to click the link here, or this bad boy here. And if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe to my channel here. Alright guys, enjoy!